Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Now this box came all the way from the USA. Now if you remember right at the beginning of the Happy Meals I got a box from a lady called Rebecca Miller and quite sadly the box had a big split in the side of it and some of the contents we really do know that a lot of the contents had came out. Well, Rebecca's had another reslash. She's had a clear out again and she sent me this yarn and it's in this box. And if you want to send any Happy Mail, then please email me and I'll give you my address, because there are a few things that you have to do with and what to mark on your parcels so that I don't have to pay a huge import duty on it. Anyway, let's get on and open this up and let us see what I've got. This box upside down because my name and address is on it, and so is Rebecca's. I'm just going to try and get into that. Now, Rebecca's on my WhatsApp, so we have been chatting to each other for a few months now. Let's get this open. It's well stuck down anyway. Which is good. See if we can get this open. I'll fast forward to it being opened. So I've got the tape off this box and now we can open it and see what is in it. What is in it? Oh, sellotapes again from inside. Oh, another bag. Oh my goodness. Cotton reels. We'll put that down there. Look at this. King cotton. Oh my. That is so pretty. Look at this. And it's made up of strands. A lot of people don't like using this because it's made up of so many strands. But if you're crocheting, if you give it a little twist as you crochet, it kind of twists it in. And if it's too thin for you, you can double it up if you've got more than one reel. Muttley's there trying to get the box. You can't have it, honey. You need to wait. He just loves playing with boxes. He's worse than a child. This is beautiful. This is called King Cotton Twirl. It's 200 grams, that's 800 meters, and it's 100% cotton. These are brilliant for making shawls and things. They're great for blankets as well. It tells you to use a US 2-4 or a UK 1210 crochet needles. That's a 3.5mm crochet hook, or a US EG 46. And the colour just says number 20. That is so pretty. Look at the different colours of that wheel going into that lilac purple there. That's beautiful. That's beautiful, Rebecca. And there's a dark one. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Looks like a tornado twisting, doesn't it? That goes from white to grey, a darker grey, and then the black. That is absolutely beautiful. And it's a Cotton King again. And it's a 200 gram one. I'm going to go and get, oh, there's another one. Wow. Look at this one. This is even bigger. It's 50% cotton and 50% acrylic. This is a 250 gram one. The colour's 504 and it's a Cotton King. And look at that. Look at the colours in that. That is absolutely beautiful. It's so pretty. I love the way that grey, it's like a grey and a cream. Like a 2 shades of grey, sorry. And then it goes into like a lilac and then a purple and then this dark burgundy red. Look at that. It's beautiful. Absolutely. Oh, there's more tucked down in there. You pull that one out. Oh, look at that. And it's a 200 gram one. That's 800 meters. That is beautiful. There's no names on them. It's just numbers for the colour. The number on this one is number 10. Look at that. That is beautiful. These make beautiful virus blankets. Muttley's crying because I won't give him the box. You just have to wait. And there's a white. Oh, it's not just white. Look at that. Oh, that's a reverse of that other one, where you've got the white and the grey and then the dark. The other one's got, here's the other one. The other one's around the other way. Look at that. That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And there's one more. I'll fish that one. Oh, there's more. I'll take the ones off the top because there's more. There's a bag for you, Muttley. Do you want the bag? Right, we'll open this first. I'm going to open this up. Oh, exciting. A box and bags. Oh, it's in this one. Muttley's desperate to get the bag. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. Look at that. This is called Moonlight Bumble. Bumble Moonlight. Look at the colours in that. That's beautiful. What I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly take it out. We will have a look at it. In my bag. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's another one of those. We'll look at it in a minute. I just want to give Muttley a bag and that'll keep him happy. There you go. There you go. Put your ball in. Yeah, that might keep Muttley from crying. Look at this. I'm going to move that lid down here. Look at that. Baby crushed velvet. That is beautiful. And it's telling you to use a US hook size HB or a UK 5mm. Now I have found from experience you're better off using like a 4 or a 4.5 because this it moves when you crochet it, so you're better to crochet, listen to Muttley, you're better to crochet it with a small hook. Takes you a little longer, but it's really worth it. There's 300 grams in that. This is 10.5 ounces. It's 492 yards. That's 450 meters. And it does tell you there to use a 4.5 hook. So I was quite right about using a smaller hook. It says it's indigo shadow. Ombre indigo. That is beautiful. It's beautiful. That's amazing. That's beautiful. Thank you so much. I'll pop that there. And we'll go back to these bumbles. Bumble Moonlight. It's got like the thread through it. Look at the colour of that. It's stunning. It says it's favoury or party for the colours. Oh, I think that's just the. I think that just means the colour number. It's not party at all. Oh, Alison, what you like? It's not party at all. Its number is 106, and that is Bumble Moonlighting. 98% acrylic and 2% polyester, but it's so soft. This is getting a 3 so-sos for softness. So soft. That's beautiful. And then there's this one. There isn't actually a colour on it. This one is 114. This one's 107. This one's 114. I'll pop that there. It's unbelievably soft. Now I kept thinking that the Beaches one was the softest yarn I felt, but this is even softer. And it's got that beautiful metallic through it. And look at the colours. Look at the colour change in it. If you think that way, you can see the colour change better. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. It's beautiful. That one might be a type. That's 113, that one. And this one's 114. Slightly different shade. I'll pop them there. And We'll open this one. Oh, another bag. One's burst open itself. Oh, look at that. It's more of that moonlighting. This one is 105. Look at the colours in that. That's beautiful. And there's a pink. Oh my gosh. So soft. That colour is so rich. Look at that. That is beautiful. Unbelievable. Beautiful, Rebecca. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, take these out. I'll pop the bag down here. Oh, look at that one. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. Beautiful. Almost like peacock colours, isn't it? That is absolutely amazing. Oh, I love the colours in this. That is, oh my gosh, I love that. This one is number 103. That's beautiful autumn colours. And this one is 104. I think there's a 104 over there already. That's beautiful. Look at that. That's beautiful. But that one is just amazing. Oh, I can't get over the colours in that. That is so pretty. Look at that. How much is it? There's 100 grams in it. That's so pretty. I'm going to be able to make myself a nice scarf or a neck warmer with that. That's so pretty. Thank you so much. So we've got some more cotton kings. Oh, look at all those lemons. Look at all those lemons. That is absolutely beautiful. And look at the orange. Looks like a sunset, doesn't it? That looks like the sun setting. That is absolutely beautiful. This one's colour number is 32. And this one's number is 27. And that's Cotton King. That's amazing. The colours are amazing. Look at this one. Look at the colours with that one. That is absolutely stunning. That's stunning. Put that there. And you've got this one. This is beautiful. Look at that peach. That's so pretty. Do you know what it reminds me of a little bit? Of that painter. The painter that did the Scream. Do you know where the strange figure's got its hand on its face and it's screaming, and all his colours are like that. I just can't remember the painter's name. And look at that one. That's beautiful. That. Love that green. Love the way it spirals like that. That is beautiful. I'm going to pop that over there. And then we've got this little one, a little ice yarn. She sent me some ice yarn already, and there was some of that in the box that she sent me. That's really pretty, and it's really nice and soft as well. That's pretty. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 balls of this orange Snuggle Up Persimmon. Is that the name of it? The colour name? Yeah, Persimmon. Persimmon? It's beautiful though. Look at that. It's like a cinnamony colour, isn't it? It's really soft, that. That's like for making like teddy bears and things. Nice warm scarves. Do you know something? I think Muttley would appreciate a nice blanket made with this because it's really, really soft. And the winters in Scotland get really, really cold. Rebecca, this is amazing. Absolutely amazing. And it's not the first time that you've sent me yarn. This is the second time that you've sent me boxes of yarn. Thank you so, so much. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. And this is amazing. This is absolutely stunning. The colours in this is beautiful. It really is. So thank you very much, Rebecca. I really, really do appreciate it. And we'll be chatting soon anyway on WhatsApp. Thank you so much. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then if you just like to click on that subscribe button, and if you do that, and then what you can do is if you press on the bell icon, then YouTube will alert you when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, happy crafting. This is just amazing. I just love that. That's absolutely stunning. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So thank you very much, Rebecca. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon for the next Happy Meal. Some of them just make me smile so much, and other ones just practically reduce me to tears because it's just amazing, amazing gifts. It's amazing. Look at these. These are beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. So thank you again, Rebecca. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.